Hi, how are you today? Are you ready for a good story? If you love trucks and trash trucks and diggers and all those cool big rigs that we see sometimes working on big sites when they're building buildings or whatever, you're going to like this book. And it's called The Little Excavator. And it's written by Anna Dudney. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knock down the walls. Rumble, rumble, grumble, grumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. What's going to happen next, I wonder? Grrrm goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smash, 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 smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk. Junk, junk. Oh no, but there goes the excavator over with a clunk. Vroom goes the dump truck with a loud lug. Thunk, thunk, chunk, 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 chunk. Bum, 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 bum. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Yikes. Brum goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Glug, 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 glug. Bang, 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 bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, 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 dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Uh-oh, what happened? Yeah, he did. He dig too deep and went in the hole, right? Whirr goes the tall crane, whirr, rising up in the sky. Whoosh, 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 high, high, high. They can go so high, those cranes. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, 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 tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Trying. Now there's one last job, and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. See what they're trying to do there? Look at the picture carefully. Got it? Everyone tries it and it's too much, too tight. They cannot get over that. What? That's right, the bridge. They can't get over the bridge. They're too big. I know somebody can do it. But can it be that little E fits just right? Yes. Yay! Over he goes. Oh my goodness. Good job, little excavator. Take the time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. Oh my goodness, that is so fantastic. He got to plant the trees. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. There's his friend. And that, my friends, is the end of that fun story. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.